how to rotate all of your clips vertically at once in Premiere Pro. If you're in a situation where you recorded video in the vertical format and when you bring the clips into Premiere Pro, all of your clips are horizontal, all you have to do is double click on one of the clips in the project panel to load it up in a source monitor, and then press Shift 5 to open the Effect Controls window. In the Effect Controls window, you will see that our source clip is selected in the top left corner. Press Shift 7 to open the Effects panel and type in Transform. Select Transform and drag and drop this effect into the Effect Controls window. You will see the Transform properties in the Effect Controls window and go to Rotation. If you want to rotate your video counterclockwise, type in -90. If you want to rotate it clockwise, type in 90. My sequence here is 1080 by 1920, and once we bring the clip into the timeline, you will see that it is now in the vertical format. To rotate the rest of your clips vertically, all you have to do is go back to the clip we added the transform effect to, and make sure it is selected in the project panel, and then go back to Effect Controls and select the Transform tab. Press Command C on a Mac or Control C on a Windows computer. Then select all of the clips you want to apply this to. Press Command V on a Mac or Control V on a Windows computer. And this is how you rotate all of your clips vertically at once in Premiere Pro. We are giving 60% off to the first 100 people that purchase our new social media template. Just use promo code SSC60. The link will be in the description below. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.